Hi, Mr. Suhu. This is our unit, what is this? Unit 11 video. And we hope you like it. Bye.
So the first problem, they gave us a list of numbers, and the first step is you have to put them in order from least to greatest, which is what we did here. The outlier is the one that occurs the least, so that would be 1. The mean is all of these numbers added together and divided by how many terms there were, which is 37. The median is the middle number, so there's 2 middle numbers, so we added them up and divided by 2, which we got 7. The mode is the one that occurs the most, which is 7. The range is the highest number minus the lowest number, which is 10 minus 1, which is 9. The spread is the low number next to the high number, which is 1 to 10. The next problem is the same, it's continued on to standard deviation, and for this one, we use the same exact numbers that we put in order for this problem, but we use this formula. 84, we put the numbers in order, and then we are using those numbers to put in this equation. So you have to put how many of the numbers there are in front. So if there was 1, so we put 1 parentheses 1 minus the mean, and we kept doing that for each number. And then we got these answers after we distributed and put it into our calculator. So then we added all the numbers up and got 133.68, and then we divided by the number of terms there, which is 37 terms. Then we took the square root of that, and then we got this, which is going to help us find nothing. That was the answer. Our number summary, we're still going to use these numbers, and it's the median, the lowest number and the highest number, and quartile 1 and quartile 3. Quartile 1 is number in the middle of the lowest number and the median, which is 6. And then quartile 3 is the number in between the median and the highest number, which is 8. And interquartile range is the 2 quartiles, the highest number minus the lower quartile, which is 2. The dot plot is the amount of numbers that are in this sequence. So for example, if you have, we have 9 sevens, so for 7 you're gonna go all the way up to 9 right there. And then for our box plot, it shows our, I forgot this one. 5-number summary. Shows our 5-number summary, which is the 1, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Because 1 is our minimum, 6 is our first quartile, 7 is our median, and 8 is our third quartile, and 10 is our highest number. And then describing the distribution, this shows the shape of the graph that we're going to have after we graph this information. So for the relative frequency table, what this is it's showing 0 to less than 2. So it's the 0 to less than 2 is the amount of numbers from 0 to 2, which is 1 because there's only one. And then for 2 to less than 4, there's 0 numbers because there's no numbers between 2 and 4. So what you're going to do is after you get your frequency, you're going to divide your frequency by the amount of numbers that there are in the sequence, which is 37. And then after you do that, you're going to round to the hundredths place, and you're going to get 0.03. And then for your histogram, what you're going to do is you're going to write down this data, and then you're going to plot how, like, for the decimal, you have 0.03, and this is 0.05. And so for 0 to less than 2, you plot it right underneath the 0.05, and it shows how much there were.
So for the reflection for the life lesson, if I met my goals this year in high school? No, I did not. And what prevented me from meeting my goals was because a lot of drama that happened this past year, and it prevented me from reaching getting the grades that I wanted to. But what about you, Jamie?
My grades were fine, but they could have been improved. And
What did you learn from this year of your life that you can take with you for the future? To not miss school so much, maybe?
Yeah, true.
Okay.
I have a lot of
Well, for me, what I learned that I can take with me from the future is that not everybody you call your best friend is going to be your best friend for the rest of your life, and except you. But yeah, that's it. We hope you liked our video, and yeah, bye.